tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause I still smell you in the bed you used to.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is just a quick unboxing kasi actually ito yung pinaka-aabangan ko. Nakuha ko na to like yesterday, then ito kakadating lang nitong package. Ito yung pinaka-aabangan ko talaga guys. So I'm like parang nagmamadali kasi it's already parang 5:10 na ngayon and I want to walk kasi baka umulan na naman, di ako makapag-walk. So guys, unahin muna natin to. Sorry guys, hinihingal ako kasi kinuha ko siya talaga dun sa kantas nakakyat ako ng stairs. Anyway, I'll be opening this first. Ito talaga inaabangan ko ng package guys kasi this one is from, I don't know, Shopee. And I mean, this one is for my DJI Osmo Action 5. And lately kasi guys, pagka lumalabas ako, takot akong ilagay lang kung saan yung DJI kasi baka ma-scratch. So, talagang inaabangan ko. This is the Telesin na pouch. This pwede daw to for the DJI. So, kumuha ko na lalagyan ng aking DJI kasi ito lang guys yung lalagyan ko ng DJI. This one. The tripod niya and wala siyang lalagyan. So, natatakot ako lagi na baka magasgasan, ganyan. So, I also bought the Telesin na. This one is para siyang magnetic. So, I need that kasi nahihiya ako laging dalhin to kasi sobrang laki niya. And I want to experiment kung maganda ba to. So, next package natin, we have here, I don't know, I forgot ano to. I think this is the, okay, what is this? Oh, okay, this is the flash drive, guys. Flash drive to, kasi I have to restore my files. So, bumili ako ng yung flash drive na yan. Guys, if you want some to buy, I'll put the link na lang kung saan ko siya binili, ha? So, the last natin is this one. What is this? This is, I bought this all from Shopee. So, this one is the, receiver. This one is, okay, this one is the SanDisk na memory card for my Action Pro. So, assemble ko lang guys. And we're now off to walking. Hi guys! So, we're now off to walking. Let's walk today. Kasi, hindi tayo nakapag-walk ha. And I also wanted to walk talaga. So, let's walk. Let's go. Hi guys! So, I'm starting the walking a bit early. Kasi baka umulan bigla. And currently, it's already 5:35. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go beyond. Punta ko dun sa malapit sa may parang park. I'm feeling air too. So, today's a very nice day today, guys. Siyang ulan. Also, there's so many people walking and yeah, it's so very nice day. Sayang naman yung day kung hindi natin siya ma-experience and parang nag-click talaga sa akin na I'll do walking and it's really nice. It's really nice day and happy din ako kasi maraming nagwa-walking. So, yeah. Sana hindi lang ako mahiya pagka may tumitingin sa akin.
Counting all my problems, one by one they're falling.
Paradise is not what it's made to.
Okay, so, nandito na ako sa park. And ang ganda. Ang daming tao. Kaya nga lang ako. But sobrang daming tao. So cute, so nice. That there are so many people here. And let's just watch people playing. Let's just sit over there. Let's sit over there. Let's sit over there kasi wala tao naman. Oh, so nice. They're walking.
Just say you won't let go, 'cause my bones can't keep taking this. And I think you should know just how long I've been faking this. These walls are caving in, I can use some saving. Hold me till I fall apart, break me till I'm broken in, 'cause I've been lost but never found.
So guys, I'm done here at the park and I'm going to go back to walking kasi parang uulan. And maybe I'll stop by sa supermarket. Ang problema lang, wala akong dalang payong. I don't have a umbrella with me and I think it's gonna rain. So yeah, I think it's gonna rain and bye bye. Like, come on guys, I think it's gonna rain. So guys, andito na naman tayo sa grocery. I think this is my daily vlog. I think dito na punta yung daily vlogging ko sa pag-grocery. So, grocery lang ako for dinner ulit. Kasi, hindi na ako nakapag-major grocery. So, nagtanong ako kay ChatGPT anong mga bibilin ko. Kasi, hindi ako mapag-isip anong bibilin ko or uulamin namin. So, ChatGPT. So, sabi niya dito, chicken adobo daw or chicken teriyaki. So, let's find this.